Hello, I am Dr. Tushar Nikalje from Maharashtra State. I am a researcher. I am now 61 years old. I am a retired person from the government of Maharashtra as a non-teaching staff. I have completed my MPhil and PhD. My PhD is in political science. My research subject of PhD is Indian election system. I am writing books, articles, and research papers in several UGC journals, and also publishing the books of public administration and Indian election system. I have till date written near about 11 books, which includes one Braille English book also, 86 articles. Now, after retirement, I am suggesting some improvements in the election administrative systems to Election Commission of India and Maharashtra Election Commission. Just now, before 2 weeks ago, I have suggested some election administrative suggestions to Karnataka Election Commission. Thanks.